Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you for showing up. And hey, I have something special for you. I have my 5 favorite hacks to share with you. And so we're going to do them one at a time together. Are we ready? Tray, parchment paper, bacon, brown sugar, maple extract. Mix into your brown sugar 1 teaspoon of maple extract. Get that bacon laid out right now. Bam, bam, bam. Show some sweet love to that bacon. Flip it over, do it to the other side, and put it in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. Look at this!
Well, I was down at a local beer
joint. I dare you to make some for tonight's festivities. Happy New Year. Bye. And number 2, here we go. Ever get baked on grease in your oven like this? Let me show you how to fix it. Generously squirt some soap on it. Me, I use Blue Dawn. Half a cup of borax. Who ordered half a cup of borax? Lightly apply the vinegar and make a paste. Nobody would believe that grease was baked on there just a couple of moments ago. I'm Calamity Girl, and this is my point of view. Who doesn't like a good mayo with their sandwich? How about we make some together? This is all about making do with what you have at home. So you know what? I'm out of garlic. So you know what? Let's use some jarlic. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of mustard. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. Start with scrambling these ingredients together first. Slowly pour your oil in down the side of the jar. As you blend, start with the bottom and then slowly work your way all the way up. And you'll see how fluffy and white and amazing it is. Let's taste it. My gosh, that is delicious. Look at that. All I have to do is put a lid on this and put it in the fridge. Is your jar of Nutella empty? Well, turn that frown upside down because I'm going to show you what to do. Get yourself some milk. Right in here. I fill it up halfway. Call the police and the fireman, I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man, I'm too hot. Look, Mom, we can make another one. Did you know you're using your cutting board wrong? It gets stains in between all the cracks from the knives and everything. Okay, I use a combination of just regular white vinegar and a little bit of Blue Dawn.
So the 2 of them together are the perfect cleaner.
I clean everything with it. This here is literally the perfect combination to clean everything. Grab your oil because we need to moisturize. Aww. Let it set overnight, and in the morning, just wipe it off with a towel. Easy as that. Every 2 weeks. I'm Calamity Girl, and this is my point of view. And there you have it, folks. 5 of my favorite hacks. If you aren't using them already, what are you doing? Are you living under a rock? I'll see you on the next video. Bye.